And the big business story, in line with the union budget, the RBI has projected a GDP growth rate of 10.5% for the financial year beginning the April 1st. This on the back of recovery in economic activities.
Going forward, the Indian economy is poised to move in only one direction, and that is upwards. It is our strong conviction, backed by forecasts, that in 21-22 we would undo the damage that COVID-19 has inflicted on the economy.
A rosy economic outlook. Although the RBI has tempered its GDP growth projection to 10.5% next year compared to the economic survey's 11% and IMF's 11.5%. As expected by many, the RBI left the interest rate unchanged at 4%. It has been same since May 2020, the lockdown peak, because the RBI wants to monitor the inflation as it is still higher than the target of 4%. In another important announcement, the RBI said that retail investors can now buy government securities, the safest tool of investment, directly through the RBI. RBI expects this will broaden the investor base and their participation in government bonds, and the details will be issued separately. The markets echoed the RBI's sentiments, with the Sensex opening at above a record 51,000 points and ended in the green for the fifth straight session. It is also the best weekly gain for markets since April. For the week, both the Sensex and Nifty index are up 9.5% and touching a market cap of rupees 2 lakh crore or 2 trillion rupees.
2 लाख का मार्केट कैप शेयर मार्केट का गया है, बेसिकली फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स के ट्रांजैक्शन के कारण गया है। एफपीआई जम के भारतीय शेयरों में ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं। उसका कारण है कि इस बार के बजट में ना तो एसटीटी को टच किया गया, ना तो एलटीसीजी को टच किया गया।
This week, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of rupees 12,133 crore as against last week when they were net sellers to the tune of rupees 11,496 crore. On inflation, a big concern, the RBI's projection has improved. For the current quarter Jan to March, inflation is likely to be 5.2%, down from 5.8%. After a market-friendly budget, the market participants cheered the RBI policy too. The governor says that the pain of 2020 is behind us and the economy is reviving, where consumer confidence and business sentiment is coming back. In Mumbai, this is Purva Chitnis for NDTV.